Hi, this is Pankaj Kumar. In this video, I will show you how to start with the HyperMesh and interfaces with the HyperWorks 13.0 EDU. So to start with the HyperWorks, select HyperWorks 13.0 EDU from Windows Start menu. So the software is opened. Now the software is asking for the user profile. The selected user profile is OptiStruct. Software is asking this one because the software want to know that for which solver you want to create the solver deck. As I want to work with the OptiStruct solver, so I have selected the OptiStruct. If you want to work for the highly non-linear problem, you may select a Radios, and the other four type of user profiles are available with the customized student version. If you want to work with the other FE interfaces or user profile, these are available in full version or licensed version. This I am available with the student edition. So to download the student edition, you have to order this one from the Altered website. In the next video, I will show you how to order the student edition. So to adopt the OptiStruct as your user profile, click on OK, and now the necessary panels are loaded for the OptiStruct. So here my full HyperWorks panels are loaded, and the all toolbars and menu bars are available. So the top interface of this window is the title bar. This title bar contains some information regarding the software, like the model name, which is untitled because no model is currently loaded in the HyperWorks. My version is v13.0. This one is my student edition, and my user profile is OptiStruct. So just below the title bar there is a menu bar. Menu bar contains the functions that are needed in the HyperWorks. When you click any one option, the various functions are dropped down, which you can select for working on any model. So there is different menus are available, like I have to open a new file, I have to create a new file, I want to save file, import any geometry or model, export any geometry model. I can go to file menu. If I want to work for any view related problem, like I want to view some toolbars that are hidden, I can go through this by like process manager. Here the process manager has been opened. In the same manner, I can go through the different type of menus from the window. So now this opens my process manager, like, and other, like I want to make my tab area from left to right. I need some toolbars, like here you can see that these are scripting, image capturing. The image capturing comes into toolbar. You can see that. And for the collectors, like load collector, vector collector assemblies, you can go to collector menu. For geometry related problem, you may go to geometry menu and select the functions you need to work with the geometry. You can go to also mesh menu, connector menu, materials to define any material or edit for the property of the element. So different type of menus for the all functionality of the HyperWorks are available in the menu, in the menu bar. So you can, now we will start with the toolbars. For the quick action to the functions of HyperWorks, HyperWorks, the toolbars are available. So to if any toolbar is hidden, you can go to view menu and select toolbars, and then go to HyperWorks and select which toolbar is you want to show or which you want to hide. So in this way you can hide or view or show and view any toolbars which you can quickly access the functions. With the experience, you will start to use these function as fast as and as soon as. Uh, Now this one is my is my graphics area. In this graphics area, the model I'm working with is shown, and I can go through the various geometry points or geometry edges type, and this one is my menu pages. Menu pages are used for the proper accessing of the software, because the menus or the functions in the menu bar are grouped according to the relation or according to the requirement in menu bar pages. So like the all functions for the geometry editing or geometry creation are grouped in a geometry menu page, like in my nodes edit, temporary nodes, distances, points, line. All these functions are related to the geometry, so these are grouped in a geometry menu page, and these are for 1D elements, so these are grouped in a 1D menu page. These one are for 2D, then these are 3D, and the load collector or boundary conditions related functions are grouped in analysis menu page. The functions miscellaneous functions are grouped in tool menu page, and for the post processing related functions like my contour, vector plot, fatigue, deform, transient plots, and the summaries, and smooth and the OS smooth functions, all these are grouped in post processing. So by this, the use of software is quite easier or quite simpler by defining these menu pages. We can use one menu page at a time. So to switch between the different menu pages, you have to move your radius button from one menu page to other. Like if I have created my geometry and want to go for the 3D mesh or 2D mesh, I will move my radius button to the 2D or 3D. And if I want to define the boundary condition, I will make my toggle radius button to analysis. So by these are my functions grouped in these menu bar pages. uh, Here these are my toolbars that for quick access, as I have explained, they can be dragged from one place to another place as per your convenience. This function is available just for to provide a quick access or convenience to the user, uh, because it is sometimes the user want to use any tool near in any location from which he may feel convenience or easy to work with the HyperWorks. And this one is my tab area. Here you can see that my mask, model, and all these are my tasks. This is because in this one all my functions are defined that are needed for the working with the HyperWorks. Like my model, when I will import my geometry or open any model, so all the information regarding that one is shown in this one. uh, uh, and here you can see that there is my status bar. This will there will it will show what is the current status, what is happening in this software. And I can there is also one more bar that is known as command window. This one is my command window. Whatever is happening in the software is shown here in the command language, or I can provide any command to the software. This will directly accessed by the software instead of the geometric interfaces, because in the command window the geometric interfaces are accessed as coding or the program language. So by this I have explained the mm, uh, about the HyperWorks geometry layout. In next window I will use all these menus or functions for working with the HyperWorks. In the next video I will also show how to start with the working for any model or import any file. So thank you, bye bye.